Good morning, guys, and welcome to another video. Now, last night I did get remonetized by YouTube, so I'm super stoked for that, but I'm also excited about today's video. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to do a little bit more vlogging than usual, but I still plan on fishing. I'm actually going 2 hours into Mississippi to try out a new speckled trout spot that I've been invited to check out, but we're going to do that today. But of course, before all that, I'm going to go get some gas, go cut some grass, then we'll hit the road and start heading over there. Got that done this morning. Absolutely already blazing. It's probably already 90 degrees and it's not even 8 o'clock yet. But I'm headed to Mississippi now. Got the poles all rigged up in the back, everything ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead, hit the road, and get on down there. Got this little piece of paper right here, tells us we are legal and ready to go. So now it's time to go down to Waveland, see if we can catch anything. Alright, here we go. Got the pole rigged up, half an ounce weight. A little bit heavier than what this rod is really rated for, but I didn't know what I was getting into today, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it.
Because I'm getting under 50, I'm about to hit 50%.
Yeah.
But coming back, I have a backwind, so I'm not worried about it.
You gonna come back at 50?
I want 10,000.
No, I can't yet. Yeah, I see it now. Dude. Oh yeah, that's
fried.
Oh, Hayden. That's broken, dude.
That's broken.
You shattered the camera. It's okay.
You
got insurance.
Quick. Ooh. Ooh. Did it let go? No, it's just really, really disappointingly small. Is this a white trout? Yeah. Do y'all keep these or? Look at this monster, boys. I caught the smallest fish of the day. I win.
Good
Got the biggest fish.
What is it? You filming? Yeah. I think it's a shark.
I guess it's a shark, Hayden. I guess so.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a shark. We can pull him up too, I bet. That's some bigger. It's a little bit big. Yeah. We can pull him up.
Me.
Yeah.
Hold up. Here, let me grab that line.
That's pretty much cut though.
Hey,
Still leader. Oh yeah.
Just go away from me.
See you later, dude. Go have fun in the ocean. That was fun. We ordering something?
Yes.
Sweet. I've never seen this in a McDonald's before. That's pretty neat. Wow. Taking a break from fishing, went to go grab a bite to eat. It's about 2 o'clock now. We'll probably continue fishing into the afternoon. Maybe doing something else, not too sure yet, but that's basically the plan right now. And by the way, that shark I caught earlier, this is the first shark I've ever caught. Super excited about that. Maybe another one before the afternoon's over. that is going to be it for today. I am completely burnt out, and my face is just numb from how much sun I basically got today. But I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, as well as leave a thumbs up, and something in the comments if you have any questions. And thanks for watching.